Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be showing y'all the craziest update that Nova just bring out. But real quick before we do that, let me just show you guys the power of Nova. So this is Red with bag, and he's gonna be using Nova in this example. And you can see he immediately buys, he gets in super early, and the coin insta migrates. He got in right before it migrated because he was using Nova. Now as you can see, it migrates, he sells and he gets top filled. And it just keeps running. So he made 200% on that trade just because of Nova. So Nova came out with even more updates, which I'm going to get into later. But first, let me show you guys the bypass that you need now. You're never going to need another bypass now because they made a way for you to just have it permanently. So first of all, go to my YouTube and then go to NovaBot. Open in web. Continue. So this is your wallet address and this is your private key. Your private key is basically how to access all your funds, and your wallet address is for people to send and for you to receive money from. Now, never ever give out your private key to anyone. Only keep it in bots and stuff like that, and that's why I have it blurred right now. So let's do /start, and then let's press no click. Let's go to our guide and go to Chrome extension workaround. Now real quick, just listen to the guide right here. So press download, it'll download a file for you. Then just unzip it, close that. Now go to manage extensions, and then developer mode, update, load unpacked, Nova click, select folder, and then make sure it's on, and then press this, pin it to taskbar. You're gonna go to this, connect your Telegram. You can ignore that. Launch Nova click. And boom, you're in. No need for the other bypass or anything. They made it much easier now. And make sure it says successfully connected to Nova click. Now go to Neo Bullocks, and if you guys don't have Bullocks already, you can use the link in the description and also my bio. Now press Nova, enable it, and now it's gonna work. So you guys can see the quick buy presets. So let's go to a coin real quick and I'll show you guys the Nova panel. So this is the Nova panel. There's two types of fees. You can do the fees in the Telegram bot, which will affect this right here, or you can do the fees in the quick panel, which is right here. So I personally use the fees here. And this is a completely new account just to show you guys how it's done. You guys can change the fees however you want, but these fees are already pretty good. Now in Nova's update, one of the many things that they brought was resizing your panel. Now this is super useful because in case you want to just put it like right here, or like right on top of this, anywhere you want, and you can even resize it. It's just so useful. Now the next thing that they did was they made it so that you can buy off Pump Fund. So if you go right here, you guys can see that the Nova panel is already right here, even right here. So that means if you get a Pump Fund link, you can just click it straight away and buy from there. And then you can go over to Bullocks. Now what I think is the most important thing that they added this update was buying off of Discord. So right here, my friend sent me this coin and I can buy it instantly. So if it's like good alpha and I want to get in without opening Bullocks or anything, I can straight up just press this and buy it immediately. And then you can open Neo. So basically the way it works is if there's an embed with a coin address, Nova sees that as a coin and you can buy it. Now the next thing they did, which is absolutely crazy, is you can now buy off of Twitter. So right here, this is a coin address, and right here is the buy. You can press it immediately and it does the quick buy, and you're already in the coin. Then you just copy paste it into Bullocks and you're good. Now guys, the next thing that's coming soon is the Nova independent bot. So you know how we have Bullocks and we have Photon? Nova's going to release their own version of this, and it's going to be really, really good. It's going to have their own UI, lots of features, so just stay tuned. Now guys, join up Forge and Royal because we're going to be super active soon. Forge is already super active, but Royal we still have to do a couple things and then we're going to be good to go. So there's a lot of features here, wallets. And anyways, if you guys haven't already, subscribe, follow Twitter, and use these links to access the bots. And see ya.